Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check, which is kind of like a test page, on an Epson WorkForce WF-2910. Now this can be done directly from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel you can see here. And this is a great first step in troubleshooting any print quality issues you may be having. Now, to print this page, you need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this, with copy being shown on the screen. If you're not already here, you just need to press the home button found on the bottom left hand side to be taken here. So we start by moving ourselves along using the right hand arrow key until we get to maintenance. Once you see maintenance, we press OK to go into that, and then nozzle check is the very first option, so we press OK. Now it probably goes without saying, but you will need paper to print this sheet, so we ensure that's in there, then press start, and if we give the printer just a minute, your printer will produce you a page that hopefully looks like this, showing its ability to print black, cyan, magenta and yellow using these little gate-like patterns here. Now all of these lines are on a slight diagonal, so you can see broken down into small sections, in the hope that this will help you detect any kind of fine lines or breaks in your printing. Now, if any of these colours are missing or patchy for you, you'll see your printer is preemptively asking you back at the screen if there are any issues. So, for the sake of argument, I'm going to press OK, and your printer takes you to the Clean Printhead option. And cleaning the printhead forces ink through the printer's printhead to dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be affecting the quality of your prints. And if that's the case for you, just press OK to start that procedure up. And the two cleaning options it gives you are standard cleaning and power cleaning. Now power cleaning is better at dislodging any of that ink we mentioned, but it does use up more ink from the installed ink cartridges, so I'd recommend only using that if your colours are completely absent or the degradation in print quality is pretty extreme. Otherwise, just press OK on cleaning and your printer will start that procedure up. And you can go in circles doing cleans and test pages until you're perfectly happy with the quality of your prints. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.